Hello guys, today we are doing a review comparison between the Moto G4 and the Redmi Note 3 from Xiaomi. So both are actually same price range. This the Xiaomi which I have is a 2 GB RAM model. It's at, which priced at 10,000 rupees, and this is the Moto G4, and there is also a 2 gigs model and 16 gigs of internal storage. So let's start the review comparison. So first is the Motorola device. As you know, it has got a 3000 mAh battery with turbo power, turbocharged technology, and these are the all are the volume rockers and lock button. We have 13 megapixel of rear camera with dual tone LED flash, 5 megapixel of front camera. Then we don't have actually fingerprint scanner, which we actually get in the Moto G4 Plus model. So that's the lacking thing, and it also has gyroscope and all other basic sensors which we need. This has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 617, which is clocked at 1.5 gigahertz, and it has got the Gorilla Glass 4, and it also supports OTG. And yeah, this phone is made of a plastic, and you can see the this is the nano coating, which will provide some splashes, which will this has some grip. Actually, here is some grip, and this will really provide a good grip to your hand. So that's a very good device. And the only thing which I don't like is we don't have the fingerprint scanner and the laser focusing, which we got in Moto G4 Plus. And the last year's G3 model has front firing speaker, but this has only just one single mono speaker, but that's also very nice. And this is the camera. The camera is also very good, and as you can see guys, the camera is also very good. It takes snaps very quickly. Let me click the snap of Redmi Note 3. So the shutter speed is very fast, and we also get the manual mode. Let me show you the functions. This is the zoom, and this is the pro mode, which you can actually tweak some functions. You can also shoot macro focusing system. As you can see, it works really fine. And it heats while recording video, and it heats while recording video because it has the Snapdragon 617 chipset, and but it doesn't heats like G4 Plus model. But the G4 Plus actually heats really very fast, and it also has I don't know, it's a very strange result because G4 Plus the heats very much, but G4 doesn't hit so much while gaming. The G4 Plus touches about 44 or 48 degrees Celsius, but this one touches 40 46 or 45. So the and let me show you the edges. And these are all the plastic buttons which you get with the G3. This is the you have got a nice textured look in this lock button to give you extra grip. This is a 3.5 audio port. This is the mic for noise cancellation, and this is the another mic for. And yeah, the next comparison will be between the Xiaomi Redmi Note 3.
So as you can see, the device is quite sleek and handy look, and you get with this the three variants color. It's the golden, white and black color. I have this golden variant, and let's start with the basic features. And it has 16 megapixel rear camera with dual auto-tone flash, and 5 megapixel front camera, and it has fingerprint scanner, as you can see here, and the fingerprint is quite fast responsive. And as you can see, with the same as other device, it has gyroscope sensor, which is very suitable for VR. And main thing is that it is water resistance, which is, oh sorry guys, it's not water resistance. And it is with it you get a normal charger type, and you get with this the 3.5 audio jack, and it runs in the 6.5 Qualcomm Snapdragon, which is clocked at 1.8 gigahertz. and it has normal screen which is quite fast and it feels quite handy to touch, and it has got all the basic sensors like G4. It also supports OTG, and it is made up of unibody full on metallic design, and the screen is full HD 1080 pixels. So let me peel off the cover. So after removing the cover, as you can see the MI branding, and you can see the back side, the camera, the flash and the touch screen. Inside you get the volume rockers and the lock button, and here you get the SIM tray and the micro SD. And one thing I like about this device is that it has a hybrid SIM and a micro SD slot, which is quite good, and it runs in a 2 gigs of RAM with 16 GB variant, and you also get this in 32 GB variant. And so now let's go to the pricing of both. As before, it is told that G4 is priced at 12,499 in Amazon, and G4 is and Redmi is priced at 10,999 around something, and same in the Amazon. And if you are quite fixed to your budget that you can't move as from your fixed budget, so if your budget is 12k, then I should recommend you to go with the G4 variant, which is quite helpful will be quite helpful for you. And and those who are stock lovers, they should definitely opt for G4, and those who doesn't care so much of the UI, then they should definitely offer Redmi Note 3. And if you are quite specific to your features and you don't really much care about the price, then if you want more features, then you should go for Redmi Note 3, which will be quite helpful for you. And it also hits during gaming and hardcore gaming also. Sometimes it hits and it goes up to 42 degrees Celsius, which is quite good. It's a normal heating only, and it doesn't overheat, and while charging it heats a bit. So this was the review of the comparison between the G4 and RN3. So hope you guys like this video. Do subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for most interesting videos. Thank you.